Hello everyone. Let's learn some colors and 2D shapes. Yellow color, purple color, light pink color, dark green color, green color, light pink color, sky blue color, blue color, red color, grey color, light brown color, orange color, light yellow color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Triangle. Oval. Pentagon. Star. Square.
There was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal.
Parallelogram.
Not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle,
Maroon color.
mind the
Triangle.
music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Triangle. Maroon color. Light brown color. Oval. Oval. Light brown color. Green color. Pentagon. Pentagon.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a
Green color.
stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle,
Purple color. Star.
Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with
Star.
the girls be handy.
Purple color. Dark pink color. Square. Square. Dark pink color. Yellow color. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Yellow color. Maroon color. Light brown color. Green color. Purple color. Dark pink color. Yellow color. Triangle. Oval. Pentagon. Star. Square. Parallelogram. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.